హలో అండ్ వెల్కమ్ టు ఎన్టీవీ. మాలవిక శర్మ నాతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. ఆల్రెడీ నేల టికెట్ సినిమాతో తను ఏంటో ప్రూవ్ చేసుకున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు రెడ్తో మన ముందుకు రాబోతున్నారు. ఆ సినిమా మీద ఉన్న ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఏంటి, నెక్స్ట్ ఏం ఫిల్మ్ చేయబోతున్నారు, అవన్నీ కూడా తనతో మాట్లాడదాం. హలో.
హాయ్ జ్యోతి.
హాయ్, హౌ యూ?
ఐమ్ గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ హ్యావింగ్ మీ హియర్.
ఇట్స్ ప్లెజర్. సో చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత కనబడుతున్నారు టు us. We are going to see you after a long time, after నేల టికెట్ movie, no? So what are your expectations and all?
I'm not sure I'm expecting anything. I'm having fun. Like, I really had fun on sets and I enjoyed playing this character, and I enjoyed working on this movie. So after Neela Ticket, I was waiting for a really nice script, and I found something like that, and this character is really amazing, and the way Kishore sir narrated me the character, I was very excited to play the character because it's not like me at all. Like, she's very mature, and you'll see in the movie.
Okay.
So I was very excited, and expectations, yeah, but then I'm very excited. Like, I really want people to see this movie, watch this film, and yeah.
Okay, before that I forgot to say very happy new year.
Happy New Year.
So any resolutions?
I think my this year resolution is that I just want to take care of myself.
Okay.
I just want to take care of my health and focus on myself, and because I think in this lockdown, a lot of people have learned a lot of things, and in this lockdown especially I have learned that you should take care of yourself and you should just focus on yourself and your health and everything. So that's my New Year resolution, that I'm gonna take care of myself.
Okay, generally you people take, no?
Not really, I don't, because you know, I'm running around the town, like, because I'm in Mumbai, I'm in Hyderabad, I'm in Chennai, I'm somewhere else, I'm in Delhi. I don't even know where I am. And even if I'm in Mumbai, one day I'll wake up and I'll go for a shoot, and the next day I'll wake up and then I'll go to college, and the next day I might go to court. So I don't know exactly what I'm doing, so I'm not able to take care of myself.
Are you going to college now?
So I completed my LLB degree now, but I'm doing my masters, and for the masters, yes, I have to go to the college.
Okay.
But I have applied for my license for the bar council.
Balancing both studies and work life.
Yeah,
also.
so that's why I'm saying that I'm not able to handle my health. Like, I'm not able to focus on myself.
What are the plans this year for New Year?
This year, so this is the second time I'm going to celebrate my New Year's in Hyderabad. First I did while we were shooting for Neela Ticket, and I was just chilling at my hotel alone. I was in the gym at 12 at that time.
Okay. 12 noon or PM or something? At what time?
I mean, no, night at the New Year's time. I was in the gym, I was working out, and people were celebrating.
Sad to know, actually.
But because I didn't have any friends here, na, in Hyderabad.
You have a team, no? You are working with so many people.
Yeah,
Ritesh
but,
Garu and all, direction team.
Yeah, but I didn't meet Ravi sir. Like, after that I met him on the set, but before that only I was in Hyderabad. And this year I have quite a lot of friends now here in Hyderabad, so I think I'm gonna chill with them now. But like all my Mumbai friends.
And now you also have a red team, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you're staying here and you're planning New Year this celebrations here, no?
Yes.
Okay. So fine. So generally, how do you celebrate every year with your friends in college or with your parents? How do you?
Every year, I think I am always with my friends out partying somewhere. Last year I was in Manali, and so last year I went to Manali, and I went to Agra. So on the 1st Jan I was in Mathura because I wanted to go there and pray. Like, on the 1st Jan I just wanted to be in Vrindavan. So that's what I did last year. I was in Vrindavan praying on 1st January, and I think this year also I'm going to be in the temple. Yes, I am.
Okay.
I'm very spiritual.
Okay. So how it came generally, and like us, we don't pray. Even our parents tell to us, pray cheyandi, lekapothe undandi ante we don't bother generally. Yeah. So at this early age, you get into the spiritual life, and
not really early age. Yeah. Like, I think when I was 5 till since then I have started keeping fast and everything, because I belong from a Brahmin family, and that's how I have been raised. Like, my parents used to keep fast, so that's what I have learned from them, that you have to keep fast, you have to pray and everything. So that's how I have always been. So now when I was shooting for the Red also, I remember I used to keep fast like 4 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and my director was like, what are you eating?
While working?
Yeah, while working. I had like 4 days in a week fast, and my director was like, eat something. Yeah, it is. It is quite. That's why I'm saying that you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. I faced a lot of problems in lockdown because of all these things.
That's why you said about your focusing health.
Yeah, focus. Like we should focus on your health. Like yeah, religious things are there, but I think you should really focus on your health, because after that I started getting really sick because I wasn't
Sitting
eating
at
well.
home fasting is okay. Working.
Oh my god,
and
sitting
fasting-
at home fasting is really bad because
it?
you're so hungry. And you're so hungry. At least when you're at work, you know, you can focus on your work. You have different things. And in lockdown, you're like, oh my god, there's nothing to do. The only thing I can do is watch Netflix, and I want to eat something.
That how
I
you
want to
spent
binge.
in lockdown?
Yeah, I have watched everything on Netflix. And yeah, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney Hotstar, and that's all, because I was in Mumbai and I couldn't do anything, and that's all what I did. But then I had exams also during the lockdown, so we had our assignments and everything which we had to submit online, and then I had online exams. So
Are you a good student?
I cleared my LLB first class.
That's enough, dude. That's
First class. So
That's
yes.
oh great.
So yes, I think I'm a good student.
Generally, after getting into the movies and all, they'll generally people ignore the studies because they are already working, and this field is completely different. Fame and all that celebrity lifestyle and all comes, no. So, what makes you to go for further studies and all?
I enjoy it. Like I love what I do. I love my studies. Like I love law. I always wanted to be a lawyer. And I started, and I wanted to be independent, so that's how I started giving auditions, and that's how I got into ads, because I wanted to, you know, pay for my fees and everything. I just wanted to be independent, and that's how things started rolling. And I think once you enter this profession, it's like once the bug bites you, there's no looking back.
Yeah.
So that's what happened with me. And eventually, after doing a few commercials and everything, I started enjoying this industry, and I got offer for that Neela Ticket film. So that's how I got into the industry, and now I was more focused on the studies.
And one interesting thing is, generally entering into the field is not so easy. That too, getting into a big banner and with a working with a big star is not a simple thing, but you got it.
Yeah.
Raviteja garu, working with
Yeah.
Raviteja garu to work చేయడం, it's not a simple thing.
Yeah,
So
it's
how did you felt? ఏమనిపించింది ఆ టైంలో? What makes you to accept?
So I had so much fun on the sets of Neela Ticket that it didn't feel like that I'm working with Ravi sir. I mean, he's Ravi Teja, like, you know, but I didn't feel like it, and he didn't ever made me feel like I'm a newcomer.
Okay.
I always felt so welcome at the sets, and everything was so nice that just didn't feel like I'm a newcomer. It just felt like home. So it was very easy for me to work here.
You're already studying. You completed your LLB and all. So next, what are your plans actually at the time?
Okay. So right now, I don't think I have any plans for my
Or
future.
goals or something? You said you want to be a lawyer or something.
Yeah, so goals as in, yeah, I'm a lawyer now, and I am already doing my internship here in Hyderabad. I have applied for my bar council in Mumbai. I'll get my license in the month of January, and I'm doing my masters now. Like I gave my entrance for my masters and I cleared it. So now I'm applying for my masters, and I don't really have a goal that this is what I want to do. I just want to go somewhere. Like I just have a path, and I'm going somewhere. I don't know where exactly it's gonna lead. I don't
Go
know.
with the time policy.
Yeah, like
That's
it's
it.
one day at a time. That's just
Okay, if you wanted to choose your studies and all, or your dream to become a lawyer, or you want to become a good actor in the industry,
what would I choose? I don't think I would choose a single thing. Like I can't choose any one, because I remember now that I went to Mumbai, I was dubbing for Red, like the Hindi dubbing. I have dubbed for the Hindi version, and after that, like the 3 days of dubbing, and at the same time I have to apply for bar, and few of my mark sheets went missing, and I have to go to the college, I have to do this, I have to go to the High Court and everything. So that time I was like, oh my god, I'm not able to handle these two things. What if I really have to choose
So
one?
it will be difficult in future, no? If you get more
In future,
opportunities in
yes.
the industry and becoming a lawyer and working as a lawyer.
I think it will be difficult. Like right now, it is difficult for me, but I'm just going with the flow. I'll see what happens. Like,
Okay.
I'll see. I'm just gonna give my exams. I'll
I
keep
mean,
on studying.
in which field you are very serious to do this?
Both. I'm
Both.
serious in both my
That's why you're
professions.
getting a first class
Yeah.
in LLB, and you're doing a big movies in a Telugu film,
Yeah.
TFI also. So, coming to Red, people are very eager for the release and all, to watch him on the screen, Ram. After a big super success he got no Smart Shankar.
Yeah.
So Enti, what is your role in the film? How it will be? How it going to entertain the audience?
As I said, that my role is quite different from how I actually am in real life. And so when Kishore sir narrated me the story, it was quite mature than what I am and from my age. It was quite the character is more mature and she understands everything, and it's a very different character. And the way Kishore sir got that character out of me was really amazing, because he explained me everything, the emotions of the girl, and everything. He tried to explain me everything, so it was quite easy for me that way working with Kishore sir. And this role is, yes, quite different, and I would say very subtle. Like, I'm not subtle in real life.
Okay.
I'm not like I have all these
What in the film?
hand gestures and the way I talk. I'm not at all subtle.
Okay.
But in the film, yes, little
Very cool.
mature
Oh,
and subtle.
Okay.
Well, fun in a fun way, not that a boring way, but yeah, mature.
తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో హీరోయిన్స్ అందరికీ ఇఫ్ దే గెట్ అ ఫ్లాప్ దే విల్ నాట్ గెట్ ఎనీ ఆఫర్ దో మేబీ దే గెట్ ఎన్ వెరీ స్మాల్ మూవీస్ అండ్ ఆల్ బట్ వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు యూ నెల టికెట్ వాజ్ డిసప్పాయింటెడ్ బట్ యూ గోట్ ఎ గుడ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ అగైన్ రామ్తో మళ్ళీ పెద్ద ఫిల్మ్, ఇట్స్ అ బిగ్ ఫిల్మ్ అగైన్. సో హౌ డు యూ సీ ఇట్?
Actually, I didn't wanted to just do any project after Nela Ticket. Like, I just didn't want to pick anything. I really wanted to wait for a good script. And when I was in Bangalore, I think I got a message from Sir Shravanti Ravikishore sir.
Okay.
And after that I went to Mumbai, and then I flew to Hyderabad, and then Kishore sir narrated me the story, and then he wanted, because it was a very performance oriented role. And of course, I'm from Mumbai. I don't know how to speak Telugu and everything, and it was a very performance
Was
oriented
it difficult to you in sets and all? Language and all?
I kept a Telugu tutor.
Okay.
To be very honest, I kept a Telugu tutor. So I used to do my lines with him, and then I used to go on set. So yeah, because I wanted everything to be perfect with this one. Like, I didn't want anyone to think on screen that, oh, she's from Mumbai or she doesn't know how to speak Telugu. I wanted my lip sync and everything to be really perfect.
Perfect.
So I kept a Telugu tutor.
Okay, good. So next, working with him, Ram, how was it? What is your experience?
It was really amazing. Like, he's very cooperative, and yeah, it was fun shooting with him, even though he's very calm on sets. Like, two different personalities
Is it?
from Ravi sir and Ram. Ravi sir is
Full
super
energetic.
fun. Matlab,
Yeah.
not that Ram is not fun, but with Ravi sir, he's not at all calm on set. But Ram is quite calm on set, but he's very cooperative, and got to learn a lot from him also. And the way he was very helpful during our scenes, because on the first 2 days of the shoot, I was super scared. Shooting after Nela Ticket after 1.5 years, I was so scared of the first 2 days of the set. So he was very cooperative, like, he was very patient, and Kishore sir also was very patient, and they helped me a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a remake of Tadam. Have you watched it? Because of that you accepted it, or it is a big banner, or you're working with a Ram? Is that the reasons?
No, actually, Kishore sir narrated me the story, and after that I watched Tharam.
Okay.
I did watch Tharam, and after that Kishore sir, because as I told you, he wanted me to audition for the role, because he told me that it's a very performance oriented role.
Okay.
So there was one of the scene which he wanted me to do, and we did it. We did the look test, and then yeah, everything worked out, and I really liked the role, and I loved the
What is
script.
that scene?
What is that scene?
It's a Tadam, no? Tadam remake. So many of us watched.
It was an emotional scene.
Okay.
It was an emotional scene which I had to do, and little crying and emotional scene. So that's what I did, and then yes, I was on board.
Yes. So after watching the Thadam, what makes you to get into this project and all? After watching it, how was you feeling?
After watching Thadam, I really liked the story, and it was different. Like Thadam, it is different.
Yeah.
It's not like a regular love story. It's a thriller film,
Okay.
and I really liked the story, and that's when I was like, "Ki chalo, yeah, like I should audition for this part." I liked the film. I enjoyed the film, and yes, I would like to be the part of this film. So that's what was my take after watching Thadam.
In Nail Etiquette, you worked. I mean, doctor role in
Yeah,
that
yeah,
film. Hmm? So what is the difference to that role and to this?
Um, during Nail Etiquette, yes, I was playing a medical student, and
Medical student, no?
even though I was playing a medical student, my character was very bubbly and very happy. She's bubbly. She's very I don't know if you guys have seen that my introduction scene where I am
Okay.
slapping the auto rickshaw guy. So she was very confident, and yeah, that was the character. That was actually me, like not even playing anyone, just being myself. And in this film, the character was quite mature, and it took me a time. It took me a few days to understand the character because it wasn't me. Like I'm not that mature in real life. I'm not saying that I'm immature, but you know, just the age. The age I played in this film was older
Yeah,
than
than
my
you,
age.
yeah,
Yeah. So for me to think ki she's older, and because medical
How to
student,
be
I can
subtle.
I can connect with a medical student because I was
Because
a
you're
law
already
student.
a law student and that, it will
Yeah,
quite
but then someone like a mature person who wants to get married or
than we.
to understand her, yeah, it took me a little time.
Okay.
So yeah, Kishore so really helped me a lot to understand the character that way. So yeah, the
Okay.
characters are quite different.
Which emotion if you feel difficulty to play? I mean, some emotional scenes or some comedy or some romantic scenes. Which one you feel difficult?
I think romantic scenes.
Is it?
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Like I can't even tell you. On the first day of the shoot, also I was so scared. Like, matlab, yeah, I can shoot romantic scenes, but it really scares me.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I'm scared of that.
Okay.
I think maybe because I'm just new and I'm just learning a lot of things, but maybe because I was shooting after 1.5 years, I don't know what it was, but
Then
I
it
was scared.
will be easy.
Yeah,
After some time.
later
after
maybe it will be
easy.
easy.
Okay. Before getting into the film, Nail Etiquette or to this industry. So have you seen any films of Telugu and all? Telugu, do you know any heroes? Your favorite?
Of course. Like I watched a lot of Allu Arjun sir's film, and I've watched Ravi sir's film. I mean, everyone has in North India. Matlab, everyone knows him, and I've watched films of Ram also. So yeah, I've watched quite few films of Telugu.
Okay. So what's the recent film you watched?
The
In
recent
Telugu.
film I watched, Bhishma,
Okay.
and Ala Vaikunthapura.
Ramulo, it's Allu
Yeah.
Arjun's film. Okay.
Yeah.
Who is your favorite star here? Or
Yeah.
you wanted to work with?
My favorite are Allu Arjun sir.
Oh.
Yeah, like I really
You
want to
watched
work
so
with
many
him.
films of him? You have watched all the
Yeah,
films
I
of
have
him?
watched DJ. I have watched like I can't really remember the exact names of the film because
Okay,
it's
yeah,
in
because
Telugu.
in Telugu, no?
Yeah, but then I have watched a lot of Allu Arjun sir's film.
What are the plans next? ఏమున్నాయి ఏమేం ప్లాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి in the industry?
And then
What kind of roles you are expecting?
So I'm really expecting like performance oriented role maybe because I'm not someone who just backs off if it comes to hard working. Like if I get a performance oriented role, yes, I'll take workshops. Yes, I'm open to learning Telugu. Like I said, I kept a Telugu tutor. Like no one asked me to. My director, the producer, no one asked me to keep a Telugu tutor, but I think that was just my job. I just wanted it to be perfect. Like I wanted everything to be perfect, so I kept a Telugu tutor, and I just made sure that when I'm on sets. So actually we were shooting in Goa, and at that time I had exams. So
Okay.
when I was in the flight, I was
Reading and all.
yeah, I was on my way to Goa. I was actually reading Telugu lines and everything on one side, and after half an hour I was learning after
And
I
that's
was preparing for my exams, and then there also, like, I went prepared. I was prepared with my dialogues and everything, and while coming
No,
back,
law is not at all easy, no, to remembering that
The sections and
sections
everything.
and all. If some other anything studies or something, that will be okay. But managing these two is very difficult. you
yeah,
know?
yeah,
It's
it is,
really
it
great.
is. But then I think I'm very good at multitasking, and
All women, I think.
yeah, all women are great at
Multitasking.
multitasking, and I just feel that when I'm doing a lot of work, it makes me happy. Like if I'm sitting idle, I'll be like, oh shit, no, I gotta do something, I gotta do something. So work makes me happy, whether it is law, whether it is
Movies and all.
and all, just work makes me happy. So if I'm in Mumbai, if I'm not doing anything, I'll be in my Kathak class, I'll be in my pole dance class, or I'll be doing something or the other thing. Like I'm always doing something. I never
Okay.
sit idle.
Oh, that's great. I should change. Okay, so fine. You have done so many ads and all. No? So all that ads and all you have done because of our pocket money, or to be an independent woman, or you are interested into it.
So first few ads which I did was because I wanted to be like I just wanted to
Independent
earn. I just wanted to
woman,
earn,
earn
and
for pocket
later I started enjoying it. And when you are the face of a brand, it's a different thing. I mean, I got to be the face of Himalaya. So I
Himalaya,
was the face of Himalaya, all the face wash and shampoo products and everything, and you have your hoardings, you are seen always on the
Seeing
commercials and the
yourself on the big-
pamphlets, and you know, when you go to the Himalaya stores and everything. And then I did it all, so it's the same thing. So it's fun. I mean, you are in Mumbai, you are on road, you are in an auto rickshaw, and then you see yourself on the hoarding, and you're like,
Hey,
oh,
wow.
acha chalo, I'm doing something good in life.
So at the time
Yeah.
you got an idea of getting into the films and all.
Yeah. So
You
my
started
first,
auditioning
I
and all?
no, I actually didn't start auditioning. I did like I came to Hyderabad for a few meetings here with my agency, but that was it. I wasn't really auditioning for
For
any
ads,
films.
no? At the
no.
time you came
Yeah, I have done a couple of ads in South also, like
Okay.
in Chennai, Telugu, Bangalore, everywhere. So yeah, I've came here for before, and things didn't work out for the movies. But then I got Ravi sir's offer, and I was like, how can I
Like,
say no to this?
Yeah.
So
Then Red.
yeah, then
Okay,
Red.
Then Red. So what are projects you have now when you had?
So
Next.
you'll know when I sign something, but
Okay.
I'm still looking for good scripts, and yeah, like I do have a project in Tamil next year, but which
So that's
I
a
can't
debut there, no?
disclose. Yeah, that's gonna be a debut,
Debut
there.
there,
That's
okay.
gonna be a debut there, but as of now in Telugu. still,
Right.
Yeah.
All the very best.
Thank
Um,
you.
We'll see you in more films and all.
Yeah. Thank you.
Once again, wishing you a happy new year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ఇది వాళ్ళ స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్. స్టేడియం టు ఎన్టీవీ.